Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write Winter Olympic Games in Chinese. 冬奥会，冬奥会。冬 means winter, Winter Olympic Games. 冬 Dong also means winter. Ao. This character looks a little bit complicated. It has the top part and the bottom part. The bottom part means big, da. But put together it means ao. It sounds like ao. It pronounced ao. Olympic game. Okay, inside there's a Chinese character which means rice. This character inside means rice, but has probably nothing to do with Olympic Games, but that's how it is. And then this, I've finished the top part, and the bottom part is another Chinese character. It means da, big. So there's rice inside and there's a big on the bottom. Olympic Games, the ao. Hui. Hui, it means game, Olympic game, and also it could mean meeting and get together. Hui. Here's the almost like an umbrella, and the inside is another Chinese character means cloud, yun. The top part is people, human. Here's people, person, and inside is cloud. Maybe a lot of people meeting as if clouds gathering. 冬奥会 Olympic Games. Thanks for watching.